Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a ride back to the early 60s to explore one of the most luxurious and bold American cars ever built, the 1961 Imperial by Chrysler. This model wasn't just a car, it was a statement of power, prestige, and futuristic design. So let's dive into what made the 1961 Imperial a true icon of its era. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1961 Imperial came with one of the most dramatic and unique designs Chrysler ever produced. The first thing you notice is the bold front end with its massive freestanding headlights, a design inspired by classic American luxury styling. The chrome details, the large egg crate grille, and the imposing bumper instantly made the car stand out in any crowd. Along the sides, the signature Imperial fins sweep upward toward the rear, giving it a powerful, jet-age look that was very popular in that era. The taillights are uniquely integrated into the fins, appearing almost like spacecraft engines. The overall body is long, wide, and extremely elegant, with hand-finished touches that show Chrysler's focus on craftsmanship and prestige. Interior. Moving to the interior. Inside the 1961 Imperial, luxury was the top priority. This car was designed to compete with Cadillac and Lincoln, and Chrysler made sure it felt like a true executive lounge on wheels. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials including rich leather, polished metal trim, and deep pile carpeting. The dashboard carries a futuristic theme with push-button controls for the transmission, a squared-off steering wheel hub, and aircraft-inspired gauge pods. The seats are incredibly spacious and soft, offering a floating, sofa-like feel. Rear passengers enjoy outstanding legroom, wide door openings, and an overall sense of first-class comfort. Power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and advanced electric features were available, making the Imperial one of the most technologically impressive luxury cars of its time. Performance. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 1961 Imperial was powered by Chrysler's legendary 413 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 350 horsepower. This engine delivered strong, commanding acceleration for such a large luxury sedan and offered a smooth, effortless driving experience. Paired with the push-button TorqueFlite automatic transmission, the Imperial provided seamless shifts and refined cruising. The ride quality was one of its strongest points, a combination of heavy-duty construction, well-tuned suspension, and excellent sound insulation made highway travel incredibly smooth. Steering was light thanks to power steering, and braking confidence came from power brakes. Even though it was a big car, the Imperial handled with grace and stability, living up to its premium reputation. And now, the conclusion. The 1961 Imperial by Chrysler remains one of the most distinctive and luxurious American cars ever built. With its bold styling, handcrafted interior, powerful V8 engine, and unique futuristic features, it stood apart from anything else on the road. Today, it's admired by collectors for its rarity, elegance, and unmistakable character. If you're a fan of classic luxury cars with dramatic design and true presence, the 1961 Imperial is a masterpiece worth remembering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. See you in the next video.